Nasi starting 11 seKaizer Chiefs njengoba idlala neRichards Bay. uPeterson ezi-captain uyabuya bafowethu. Thabiso Munyane naye ukhona ku-starting 11, uKwinika, uInacio Miguel, uThabo Mloyisane, uLebohang Maboy, uNdlovu, uMdusha Balala ubuyile ku-starting 11. uPhule Modi ureplacer uPhili kulela side lela njengoba bengishilo. uVilakazi naye ukhona. Kubonakala ngathi uBatman bafowethu lokhu njani i-striker sanamhlanje cause uye umuntu esimaziyo ukuthi uyi-striker. Asazi ukuthi izobasiza lento le ukuthi badlalise uBatman for the first time ku-Kaizer Chiefs as striker, but bebanokudlala ezama-double strikers maybe for a few minutes and then aswitche futhi aye ku-wing, but sobona namhlanje. Then ebhentshini uRenaldo Lina, uSolomons, uFrosler, uMthethwa, uMtasingwa, uDuba, iKatara, uVelebayi, u-Abrahams. Ngishilo ngathi no-Abrahams udlala i-wing njengoba angekho-ke ulo Phili naye limele, that is why bambizile umfana for the first time since esayine neKaizer Chiefs. Uzoba khona lapha nebhentshini esingako maybe sombona boma second half bafowethu asazi, but yiyo-ke igame namhlanje eKaizer Chiefs starting 11 sabo. iKatara uye umuntu oyi-striker but uhleli lapha nebhentshini, angazi ukuthi kwenza uyi-traditional striker for iKaizer Chiefs. Do you believe kule squad list? Wait, mangibheka ahiki left back kule squad list. So ubani uzo between uKwinika, ulo Miguel, uThabo Mloyisane, oyi-one wabo uzoba i-left back? Ayi kuzoba nzima kule team le. uNkwesa bamdrop, uNkwesa konje bakhulume ngokuthi maybe naye u-injured. But uMdusha Balala sobona ukuthi uzoyinikani iKaizer Chiefs cause siyazi ukuthi uMdusha Balala medlala noVilakazi bayakwazi ukucomplementana, bayakwazi ukudlala kahle. Is back kule position yakhe le number 10. Isisu Mosbheka si-stable ngoNdlovu nolo noMaboyna, asazi sobona igame namhlanje ukuthi izosiphathelani cause iKaizer Chiefs unpredictable, especially when they play against lama teams lawa ngathi mancane. Ngeke ubazi labantu laba, particular ama-games lawa amakhulu they try ukuthi bakwazi ukudeliver, but-ke kulama team lawa unpredictable bheka nje banokhe out iGolden Arrows. Bazozimisela abafana beRichards Bay, but asibukeleni igame ukuthi izohamba kanjani. Ngicela uzibamba lana okwamanje bafethu ngithi danko.